Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl SLIMMATIC, the strong one, big but nice clean self right there. So I'm back with our next video. But before I get into that, I want to go over to the live with Shanice. Go watch our video them, like, comment and subscribe to our channel guys. She have good content over there, very motivational. Go over there, like and comment and subscribe, and make sure you know say SLIMMATIC the strong one say no right there. So now let's jump back into the topic. Jump into the video. The topic for today is never have I ever. Guys, these questions I did not write them myself. They was written by Live with Shanice. Big up yourself, Mama. Thanks for all the questions. Big up yourself right through. Now jumping back into the question they write this so. First one is, never have I ever given up on my child. You mad? You crazy? I can never do that. No there. My son is my everything. He's my heart in human farm. Hey, I love my son far. Hey, I love my son like, hey, my son, my son, my baby, my everything, my baby. I can never, the biggest blessing that God ever give to me. I can't stop giving thanks for it. Yeah, right through the biggest blessing that I can't stop giving thanks, Father God. Father God, me give thanks right through. Can't stop. Alright, this is the next question for the line. Next question. You never have I ever lose faith in God. Oh God, we can't do that one day neither. Not time. I can't do that one day. I put God in everything what I do. When I ask for any and everything what I do. Yeah. Without God, I'm nothing. Without Father God, I'm nothing at all. You understand? So I can't live without Him. I can't do without Him because He's my provider. He's my everything. Father God, I'm a watch over me while I'm asleep and all of them. So I can't be ungrateful. The amount of things Father God do for me, I'm be ungrateful. I'm mad. Not time, baby, not time. Next question on the line. Never have I ever failed in school. Well, my dad go and go in school, but my dad have to stop at 9th grade. So because of certain circumstances, I get to finish up the rest of the grade them right so. But my dad do well right through. Dad do well. I never too have it neither to finish out myself, so you know the thing will go right. So next question. Never have I ever thief from a company. That question they bring a big migraine right so. Yeah, because guess what? You see that question there, it bring back whole heap of memories, whole heap. What I not even want to remember about. What I say, I don't want to remember about it. No, because the memories they do good. What I say, Elam back. No, I'm not talking about it. I skip that question there, sorry. I'm not talking about it. Never have I ever seen to do wicked things to people. That's the next question. Well, I never take my heart too clean for that. My heart too clean for do that. No man, my grandmother ever tell me same. It's when time people do you bad, treat them good same way. You understand? But I'm not gonna lie to you. You see me? Me not gonna think for doing no wickedness no. I want to say do me something bad that offend me, you know. I just block and delete you out of my life, you know, completely, you know. Hey, if you walk on road, you come like you not evil. Hey, you don't exist on road for me, you know. You're trying to make my mind turn from you, you know, my friend. Yeah. So make my mind turn from you. Let me say, so no, my mind turn from you. I not deal with you. I not say, I not think, I know what this about you, but I just not deal with you. I just cut you off. You just come like a shadow. What I can't see. Yeah. So I deal with it. I not think about this for other people. Me, my heart too clean like Jesus. My heart clean like Jesus peaceful. But think about what this and do. No, some I not think this about nobody. Come even tell me, I not have them out there. I not do it. My paper just black and delete out of my life. Cut and clear you. Yeah, and send it back to the sender. Right there, so. Next question. Last and not least. Next question. Last and not least. Never have I ever easily get miserable. I not tell nobody that, you know. I call me miserable bad. Cause me no run certain joke. I'm very funny. Hey, I don't know, you know, my mother said to me, say, look girl, all people deal with you. All people deal with you, look girl. You hard to deal with that. All people deal with you, but me no response. Can you say this a girl and this a girl no response? Who want to life and who no want to live there, you know? It's from me to tell you my mind and you can work with it. I'm done with you. Right, so. Yeah, I'm here to tell you my mind. I'm going to be if I want vex neither. Enough people they will let them tell me, oh, I'm miserable. I'm miserable, my baby. I'm not miserable. But just tell them the truth and them just don't like it. And certain things I'm see them do. Certain things I'm see people do. I'm not cope with it. Say, I tell say no. And you are going to say, that means you're going to tell me, say, oh, I'm miserable. And oh, me this and oh, me that. I'm not miserable. Right, that's so. Yeah. Last and not least, last question. Come on, you think of the last one, but I know the last one. Last question left. Never have I ever want someone and then don't want to work. No time. I'm Mr. Independent, right? So yeah, no pay that no man. Look, I full of be chat about just about that. You know, I pay that no man. You know. But you see me, I'm Mr. Independent. From I know myself, me also. From I say, from I know myself, me also. I have something I do. Me I walk. I call it at that kind of and a 45 walk, 95 walk, I want to call it. Me I walk, from no say me I walk. Yeah. If I also me say before you want me is a very good getter. Yeah, anything I want, I go for it. I work hard for it. No matter how so much time me them different. Then oh she have man. And she just a walk, so I walk over, I walk on. I say, hey, I not look at you. I say, if you don't want to have phone, man, as long as you depend on the man, you don't do it. I don't want no man come mumble and tell me about. You just catch up in your name and get sleep and watch this and watch this and they kind of stroll and this and that. No, I don't want about to say that. More when some have it, I say, yeah, have it. If him say, hey, I can say B too. The boy say, go, I say, go. If him say, well, I say, B too. Yeah, because I have my own. I'm say independent. I work for more right through. Yeah. So therefore, guys, that is it for the day. Thank you very much for coming to my channel. Thank you guys for all your support. Right, so I remember, guys, to go over to Shanice, live with Shanice. Like and comment and subscribe. I share out our video them because you have nice good video over there, good content. You can go over there. Remember say, remember to make sure no say by the way. A SLIMMATIC the strong one. Say no. Yeah. Make sure no say I will miss no. Right there so people if this is a idea, big up on nice himself right through anywhere in the world on the day. No love, no respect and blessings all the way right there so. When I ask Christ and Shanice, Thank you, Life with Chinese. Thank you very much, Mama, for the question. Them again. Big up your nice clean self. And I'm out. Thanks for watching, people. Bye.